Hello, Percy.
Oh, Thomas, I've been worried about you. Bertie says you lost a coal truck today.
Yes, it disappeared when I was at the buffers, near the little grotto.
Maybe those are the buffers that lead to the secret railway.
And the grotto is the lost engine's special platform.
Oh, yes!
Percy, you protect those buffers from Diesel.
What?
And I'll find Mr. Conductor.
Me? Why me?
'Cause you're a brave engine, Percy.
Oh, I forgot.
Hello, Twinkle Toes. Remember me? Fat Hat won't have much use for you looking like that. Oh, I see you forgot to bring the sugar. How careless of you. Say hello to Pinchy. Okay, Twinkle Toes. I know about the buffers.
That's what I saw in my dream. It's coming true. My universe is starting to crumble.
And I know about the magic railway. And when I find that engine, you and all those puffballs will be history. Now tell me where the buffers are. Now! You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Too late, Diesel.
Did you put all this here for me? But you must have known that I was coming. How kind of you. Oh, I'm at the Windmill. Now that's what I call a perfect landing. This must be the clue to unlock the source of the gold dust. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the lady will smile. Then watch the swirls that spin so well. Oh, where's the writing gone?
So boss...
How come you let Twinkle Toes escape?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that, well, I did it on purpose. You know, I was testing him to see if he could escape.
Liar, liar.
Pants on fire.
Does he wear pants?
Well, training pants.
Oh, right.
All right. Playtime's over, Splodge.
Oh.
Now it's time for the next lesson, huh? I call it How to Stop Being Stupid. I know that's gonna ruin my facial.
Oh.